Cappuccino Heath Blizzard. Yeah. From Dairy Queen. I love the taste of coffee. And Heath is my favorite candy bar. If I'm gonna eat chocolate or a candy bar. Besides the Symphony bar. And I don't know if you know, but onion rings at Dairy Queen are some of the best. Watch. Look at the onion in there. That's the way an onion ring should be. You should taste a real onion. The crunch. The flavor. Mm. I love their onion rings. It's like 90 outside. This is exactly what I needed. Mm-hmm. Mm. It's so hot, my ice cream is melting. That's okay. By the way, what I really like to do is when I'm too full to eat the rest of my ice cream in a blizzard, I'll wait till all the ice cream melts, then I'll strain it out, and I'll eat all the candy at the bottom of the cup. I don't want it to go to waste. It's my favorite part.